Okay, today I am staying at the D Hotel down on Fremont Street, Las Vegas. And first thing I want to do is quickly show you how to use the elevator here. Because inside the elevator there is no, y'all going to floor one?
Yes.
I pushed it for you.
Oh, thanks. Do you know what it is?
I'll find out again.
E.
Okay, so you punch the floor you want to go to, and then it tells you what elevator you're going to go in. And then the elevator comes, and it doesn't have any buttons inside the elevator. Here, I'll show you real quick.
That's going to confuse Ricky too.
Yeah. So no buttons. So anyway, so then when you get to the floor you want to go to, then you go to your room. I am staying in room 106. Or 1106 rather. Here we are, my room. Now, let me tell you something. This hotel room is not high dollar, but it's cool, okay? So first I'll show you the bathroom. Pretty decent sink. Cool backlit mirror. That's a good touch. So backlit mirror. That's cool. Kind of modern looking. Not bad, not bad. The shower is, there's no sliding parts on the shower here. So it's got a pretty good non-slip solid floor. Solid piece of glass, no sliding, so it's kind of open here, but you know, that's okay because water goes out anyway. And there's a hole here, I guess, if you want to, I don't know, maybe it's to turn the water on from outside. Oh yeah, without getting wet, you can get the water going. Okay, so there's that. Here's some of the stuff it comes with. Towels down at the pool. I'll do a video on that later. And they just, you know, give you the basics. Now I got a double bed because I got a non-smoking room and that's all they had available for single beds. They got a closet here. You know, it's not made out of fancy materials, but it's clean and solid. The beds I already checked are pretty darn soft. So that's cool. And this is the room. Nothing too fancy, but at least you got a plug there for your phone. And I did find a safe. You flip this open and you got a safe. All right, TV and air conditioner. Not too fancy of a desk there, but hey, desk nonetheless. And here's Fremont Street. That is the Fremont Street experience. So it's super easy to get onto Fremont Street from the hotel room, right next to Four Queens. I think Gold Nugget is the next one over, on the next block actually. And there we are. So there's the parking garage right there. And I actually parked on the 5th floor, so one floor down from where we're at, but on the parking garage. And it's quick and easy parking. I mean, this isn't one of them hotels where you got to walk 100 miles. So if you're older or lazy or fat like me and you don't want to walk a lot, this is probably a good hotel because you can get from parking to your room down to Fremont Street. Fremont Street's not that long, maybe a couple, 2 or 3 blocks, and you did everything in a short walk. Anyway, there you go. There's the room. There's everything. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments. Subscribe and click the bell to get notifications of random stuff I post. Life is good.